Hello and welcome back. Grade 2s, do you remember that last time that we were meeting on video is that we talked about the third job of the silent E. Do you remember what the third job of the silent E was? It was to stop two letters from being the end of a word. Because remember, the English language has a rule that we don't want words to end in these two letters. Do you remember the two letters? I hope you've guessed U and V. So the third job of the silent E is that those two letters don't end in our words for English language. Now, today for reading, you are going to read Pumpkin and the Kitten. Now, before we get started on the story, there is a new word you're going to come across that I want to talk about. In the picture of it, I don't know if you can see it, is the word fringe. And fringe is a part that would be at the end of a blanket or maybe a bedspread on your bed. It can even be on the bottom of a curtain. And it's kind of like frills or tassels. It's the string or the material, it can be different material, that makes it kind of look pretty at the end. And kind of spread out and kind of stringy, it can be different. And that's the type of a fringe, okay? Now, another question I have before you read the story is, what is your favorite food? I know for me, a real treat for me is a brownie. So I have a question. What if we only had one more brownie? Or maybe you picked ice cream. What if we only had one more ice cream left? One more scoop of ice cream left in the container, and someone else in your house ate it in front of you? You wouldn't get to have your favorite food anymore. How would that make you feel? Do you know that feeling could be inside, could be jealousy? And jealousy is basically when you want something that somebody else has. It could be something that you could maybe have later. Maybe we not all out of ice cream. Your mom goes to the grocery store and gets some more. It could be something though that you can't have and that you really want. Maybe it's attention. Maybe it could be a toy that somebody got as a birthday present, okay? And that can make us feel jealous. And in our story that you're going to read today called Pumpkin and the Kitten, Pumpkin gets jealous of somebody else in the story. And I hope you can find out who Pumpkin starts to feel jealous, okay? After you've finished reading Pumpkin and the Kitten in your reader, in your package is an activity sheet. And it's a couple of questions to do with Pumpkin and how Pumpkin's feeling and why do you think that I want you to do. And there's little lines that you can write in your answer right on the worksheet when you finished. Enjoy the story, Pumpkin and the Kitten. Bye.